The next one is called a secret box. And in this one, you don't help the child with the reading at all. They have to read the word and then do the action. And if you have other little people around, they can do the action together. They can all do the actions. They can all go crazy together and burn off some energy. So what I've done is write a few simple phonetic words on pieces of paper. This one might be a little late in the season. And I'm going to fold them all and put them in the secrets box. And now you get the child to take one of them out of the secrets box and very quietly, without saying a word to anyone else, read the word and then do what it tells you to do. Sit. Run. Okay, should I run around the table? This is the one parents would like the most. Sleep.